Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Folashade, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to stay hydrated, how to stay moisturized in this Harmattan season. Okay, I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and we call the dry season here, we call our own winter Harmattan. So in case you don't live in Nigeria and you don't call it Harmattan, as long as you have a dry season and the skin is dry and everywhere is dry, the weather does not have enough humidity and all that, we are basically talking about the same thing, and the point in this video will really work for you. So in short, I want to tell you how to avoid dry skin during this dry season, but I feel the need to first tell us what moisture and hydration actually mean. I feel like we tend to use them interchangeably, or we don't even know what they exactly mean, or maybe some of us even think they mean the same thing. Nah, they don't mean the same thing. So first of all, hydration means water. Okay, hydration means if you are well hydrated, it means you have enough water. It means your skin has enough water. It means you are drinking enough water and you're minding your business and your skin is retaining enough water. But if your skin is moisturized, it means that your skin has enough oil. So hydration is water, moisture is oil. So during this Harmattan season, we really do need a combination of the two to keep the skin looking fresh, looking glowing, and all that good stuff. Okay, so the very first tip is make sure that your skin is hydrated. So hydration actually comes from within. You need to drink enough water. I feel like during this Harmattan season, during this dry season, you actually have to drink water even if you do not want to drink water, because the atmosphere is dry, your throat is dry, you are more thirsty than usual, which is fine. Please do drink water. And I know that the year is just getting started. Most of us want to fast, especially Christians who want to fast and pray and all that. I don't know how we want to do it. I don't know how you want to do it, but I would not advise you to be dehydrated for a very long period of time. My advice would be, when you break your fast, if you can like break your fast early, like maybe 3 p.m. I think you should break it by 3 p.m. and start drinking water. Even if you're not going to eat until 6, start drinking water, because you don't want to be too dehydrated. You don't want your body, your skin, your system to be too dry. That would do more harm than good. So if as much as possible, try to stay hydrated. And when you do break your fast, maybe by 6 when you decide to break your fast, please drink a lot of water. Like drink water enough to sustain you till the next day, when you will not be drinking water and you will not be eating anything. That way you are hydrating yourself from within, and you are not looking ashy, you are not looking dry. Now pray with the pray. We know keep person. But please make sure you drink a lot of water. Your body will thank you for it, your skin will thank you for it. Okay, and now let's go to moisturizing, or maybe hydration from outside. When you are done having your bath, this is what I do. You guys already know that I come here to tell you what I do, not what I think is perfect. On this channel, I take progress over perfection, because perfection does not exist. Okay, there is no perfection anywhere. Nobody is perfect. I'm just trying to, as long as I am doing better than I did yesterday, then I am making progress, and that is definitely fine by me. So what I do to maintain this, so my skin, it is not dry at all. My skin is not dry. Everything, it's not perfect, but it is not dry. Definitely not dry, despite the fact that my body, my skin, my face is oily, and then my body is dry. But right now I think I'm managing it well, and I'm basically just going to tell you what I've been doing. So right after I have my bath, the first thing I do is I don't completely dry my body. You understand? I do not completely dry my body. That I still leave a little bit of hydration, a little bit of water on my skin. And especially this particular step is very, very important, especially if you use whitening or lightening products. You want to incorporate hyaluronic acid into your body care. This time, not even face, I mean your body care routine. Let's take this as an example. I'm sure I've shown you guys this hyaluronic acid product on this channel before. This is my hyaluronic acid, and this is very, 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 very cost effective. You may want to get it, and then I just put it here for easy application. That is what I've been doing. So when I leave the bathroom, I don't completely dry my body. I make sure that I still have some moisture on my skin, and then I apply my cream while my body is still moist, like this. So I do 1 part cream, 1 part hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps to lock in moisture into your skin. So the point is, there's still water on my body, right? And I'm trying to lock in that moisture. And then I take 1 part hyaluronic acid. I cannot just rub only hyaluronic acid on my body. It will not really get the work done. That's why I'm mixing it with my body cream. And again, if I don't use my moisturizer, I don't want to, you know, go and be getting dark and all. So this way, you're getting hydrated and, you know, moisturized at the same time. But if you still feel like right now my body feels so soft, the thing I want you to know is that hydration makes your skin soft. But if you don't moisturize after, the softness will not be soft for a long period of time. So right now my skin feels very soft, but to crown it, I'm going to have to moisturize. And this is my moisturizer. This is Nivea Even and Radiant moisturizer, and then I just add it on top of it. Okay, so what I do is, while my body is still wet like that, I rub hyaluronic acid. That is me getting hydrated. Yeah, there's still water on my skin, and I'm rubbing hyaluronic acid to still lock in the water. And then I'm going in with my moisturizer that has oil to keep my skin feeling soft. Do you understand? Hydration helps to soften your skin, but your skin will not be soft for long if you don't lock in with moisturizer, if you don't lock the hydration in with oil, with moisturizer. So you have to hydrate and then moisturize. Even when you're doing your face care routine and all, you have to hydrate. That's use hyaluronic acid first, then lock it in with a moisturizer, and that is how it works. And I want you to know that way you are not going to be looking ashy. And yeah, that is basically how I keep my skin refreshed and hydrated and moisturized all day. And then anytime I use the restroom, or anytime I get to put my hand inside water, I make sure that I, you know, use my hand cream almost immediately. You know, especially if I'm not at home, I cannot be carrying hyaluronic acid and my moisturizer and my own whitening cream up and down. So I just make sure, see, it's very small. It's not like the very big size Nivea. This one is not for sale. You cannot find this one to buy anywhere. Do you understand? But if you have any, well, this is what I use as my hand cream. I just leave it in my handbag. And it's actually body cream, but because I like it a lot, it's moisturizing. It also has SPF. I tend to just use it as my hand cream, and then so that is it. That is how you keep your skin moisturized and hydrated during this Harmattan season. So let me recap. When your skin is still moist, when your skin is still wet, use your whitening cream and hyaluronic acid, 1 part each, rub it together and rub it on your skin, and immediately go in with your moisturizer. Try it and let me know what you think. That'll be all for this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It means a whole lot to me. And yes, I will see you in another video. Bye.